Alrighty, YouTubers, welcome back. It's valve adjustment day. Really simple on this. Pull that plug, side cover screws, so you can rotate it. Get at the top dead center. There's a window right here where that plug was, and that is where you're looking for a C mark for top dead center. And then over here on the other side, when you adjust the valves, it's just basically backing them out. Actually, go to the interweb. If you Google Honda CH150 service manual, you can get that for free. It's the whole manual. It's great. Right here, the plug is out. It's light in there. That is the C mark. I want you to have it lined up with the mating of the casting here. So I have it a little high right now, just so you can see it. So I got to turn it just a little bit, get it lower. And then you just go to the other side. And there's your two adjustments. I believe it said you just back them off to feel, bottom them out, and then you just go back a click, an index. I think they call it an index. And then here's your crank pulley. You're rotating the engine to get the top dead center. Alright, this is a note to me. There's actually a red mark on this one, so it's on the 1, 2, 3, third smallest line, and this is on the in between the 1 and 2. This one's kind of on the big line, not quite the third. Procedure: you loosen the nuts. You can move these by hand. So move them outward from each other until resistance is felt, and then back one graduation, which I'm guessing it means a notch. That would be a graduation to me. So I will do that off camera and get them. It looks like they were the resistance. That one was probably good. My exhaust, it looks like it might have been off. And that's it. So that was when it was hot, but I was just hearing a little. Start.